Am I just supposed to eat like asparagus, bananas, and leeks? Like, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sullivan if you're new, and in today's video I'm gonna be eating like my zodiac sign. I've seen a few people do this. I think I saw Ashley Wicca do this first, so I looked up what all of the zodiac signs are supposed to be eating, and there's one website where it's like all vegan. It's like on the PETA website, and it doesn't have like too much guidance, so I'm kind of just gonna be like following the general idea of what it says. And honestly, I'm kind of into zodiac signs. I like to believe in it. I think it's fun, and I thought that doing this video would be fun and would show me some meals that I like that I wouldn't have thought I would like. To start out this video, I looked up what Starbucks drinks are best for Scorpios, and I saw chai tea latte on there. I actually have never made a chai tea latte at home, so I'm gonna go try that right now. Let's go. Okay, so I've just come up to my room, and let's do a taste test. Oh wow. Oh wow. That is so good. That tastes literally identical to Starbucks. Okay, found my new drink. Anyways, I will check in with you guys when I go downstairs to make breakfast. Okay, so it's time for breakfast, and I consulted many different sites. There was a lot saying cinnamon rolls, but it's like 11:15 and cinnamon rolls take a long time to make, so I'm not gonna do that. And then one said cinnamon oatmeal, and then another one said toast. We chose cinnamon oatmeal, so I'm gonna make that. The main site that I'm using says that a lot of fruit is good, especially bananas and cherries, so I will be including that in my breakfast as well. The website also said to eat cauliflower if you're a Scorpio, so I'm adding a little bit of this rice cauliflower. Oh, I just spilled it everywhere. Adding some cinnamon, of course. Okay, and then almonds are supposed to be good for Scorpio, so I'm gonna be adding some almond butter on top because that counts, right? This is something that I generally eat quite a lot. Maybe not with the cherries on top, but maybe I eat it because it's good for my zodiac sign. You never know. So I'll give it a taste test. Wow. Yeah. Okay, my zodiac diet is going pretty well so far, I would say. Right now it's like noon because I wake up so late. So I'll probably update you guys when I make lunch. also just having a black coffee because that was in what's recommended for Scorpios to drink. I actually like black coffee, so this is not too big of an issue for me. Little cactus is in the way. Okay, so this is actually a little bit tricky. I'm kind of stumped because like all of the things that they say are smaller ingredients and it's not going to be enough to like actually make a meal. Like it's like all just veggies and stuff. There's like, they say protein, but then they don't say any protein aside from like almonds. So they recommend a lot of beans and beets, leafy greens. So I'm gonna make a salad and I'm gonna add corn, beets, black beans, vegan chicken for the protein. I don't know what I'm gonna do for dinner. Like, am I just supposed to eat like asparagus, bananas, and leeks? Like, we don't have a salad spinner, so this is the salad spinner. Lunch. It's a big bowl, you just can't see it in this, but yeah, I'll taste test. Okay, so I have my salad here. I also added some lemon juice because apparently citrus is good for Scorpios, so I added some lemon juice. We'll try it and see if it's good or absolutely disgusting. We're good. I could have used more like dressing, but it's a good salad. Like, it's just a basic salad. Like, so anyways, I'll see you guys when I have a snack or dinner. Okay, so I would have had a snack earlier, but I woke up so late today that right now it's 5:45, and I ate lunch at 3:30, so I didn't get hungry. But I am gonna have some coconut water right now because a lot of articles, like every single one is like, eat coconut, drink coconut water. So I'm gonna have some coconut water. I just got back from a walk and it is hot outside, and I finished like probably from like here down today. And I'm almost done with it. But now it's 6:30, so it's dinner time. Don't know what I'm gonna make yet, but I'll research it and let you know. Okay, so for dinner, it was recommended by so many websites that Scorpios have seafood, and obviously I'm not gonna have seafood, so I found these in the basement. They're vegan jackfruit cakes from Trader Joe's, and they're like imitating crab cakes. So I'm gonna have, they're kind of an odd size, let me show you. They're like not big enough to fill a whole bun, but like not small enough to put two on there. But anyways, I'm gonna have probably one of those with some cheese on a pretzel bun for dinner. So, and then it's also recommended that Scorpios have light meals for dinner. So I'm just gonna be having this as like a burger with some cheese and lettuce and tomato, because tomatoes are supposed to be good.
I'm flying high, but I've got a feeling I'm falling for nobody else but you.
They also say Scorpios should have spicy food, so I'm making a little like chipotle ketchup aioli thingy.
I'm flying high, but
Oh, that was a lot.
show me the ring and I'm bright.
That is so good.
Show me the ring and
Wow.
I'm bright.
Chef Kings.
Show me the ring and I'm bright through. I used to. I used to.
Taste test time. Wow, my chef skills really outdid themselves. No, I'm just kidding. This is really good. I would recommend the Trader Joe's burger. It doesn't like taste like crab, but it's really good. It definitely has like the same texture, and I really like the taste of jackfruit. I'll check in with you guys after this for a snack or dessert type of scenario. Just a disclaimer, usually I would eat more than I ate today, but because of my like schedule, my sleeping schedule, I've been getting up a lot later, and by the time I like work out and do like my morning stuff that I do, it's already like pretty late when I start having breakfast, and then everything is just pushed back. So I also would have had like an additional afternoon snack and maybe like multiple and a side with dinner. Oh, and also just letting you know, I'm literally constantly snacking on fruit. So like all day today I snacked on cherries and grapes and blueberries. So for dessert, I'm just gonna have probably 3 squares of this Evolve chocolate. It's cashew cookie dough filled dark chocolate, and this is probably my favorite. I'm having dark chocolate because Scorpio is supposed to have dark chocolate because it fits with their like persona, I guess. Am I a dark chocolate and black coffee type of person? But overall, I think today was like a pretty good day of eating, like once I figured out what stuff I was supposed to eat like carb and protein wise, because it didn't really tell me much about that on the list. It was mostly just like veggies and like volume foods. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did like it, make sure to like and subscribe, and then comment down below and tell me what kinds of videos you like the best, because I will definitely do more like challenge type videos like this because I thought it was really fun. And of course, normal what I eat in a days and weeks too. But just let me know what you guys like, and thank you guys so much for watching. See you next time.
Falling for nobody else but you.